IGC News, Mima Ovidia Aquaba, had yet latest and hot news in Kwa enemy Bremo. Anuti, so we are subscriber ya, or more than say over subscribe to their channel. Your bayan is over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. Where the new video be uploaded. When the first person I was a video, I feel yeah. Now, while like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for us now when you be here. Now, who and summer Akoto and Wagana Memham. I feel you share a and summer at the door your proso. Yeti a year's Uncle Moya Akoto, Yeti in some way.
18th August 2021, me can't some chawa, me mouth date and time. It's the me quarter, no me follow. Never do so, Danny. 18th August 2021. This is the message Gabby Agyarko sent to me. And I am reading this in English. 18th August 2021. Now me fear how. Me ba fear 1st June 2021. June, July, August. Me show. Just 2 days after. Me say show. Now that day, 18th August 2021, show no coordinado homa. So there was a family meeting over my head. So we need to catch now. The Achim caucus met. Woman share with Jubilee House. Woman share with Cantonment. Woman share with East Legon. Woman ko share directly opposite Electoral Commission.
Hot news all time.
I was standing right behind them, but they didn't see me. The Achim caucus had a meeting. And then my catch was me be Juma. Into be our fear be penny for penny paper natural ye. The one can so be fair or catch rail. Who from ya? Me no be some office. Tie natural. Now what me aka? Eti we meeting no. Wako meeting no 1:30 p.m. Eti above 4:28. Na Gabby Agyarko sending me message. I said something about Kweku Annan and taxes. Yes, say Kweku Annan on PM free forest. Neba deputy minister. And then Gabby sent this. Look at this. My phone I'm the now, listen, I'll say. I believe the last time I spoke to Otin of Angel, Tienye, it is a MP before Catcher say, Engine Group, a part of one district, one factory. It's a lie. I believe the last time I spoke to Otin of Angel must have been in 2019. 2019 and Kweku Annan call London no. That same time, na me call France. Kweku Annan flight from Kotoka International Airport all call UK. The same day, na me so me Trump aeroplane na me call France. Me mentisa central for na obo srem kan sam no dibachi cause na mbadwuma. Also, when we bumped into each other at Heathrow Airport checking in. So, I would be surprised if he mentioned my name, Tenye. Or say, he would be surprised if Kweku Annan mentioned his name as being connected to any pressure on him. On pressure from the taxman into bracket Nanado. Yamlam Troy, with him Gabby, catch us on phone. under pressure from the taxman, my law firm is facing same. It is the season. The pressure is on all of us. Osani message we mami 18th August 2021. Munyina ubia wunim said ye
hot news all time.
Our network bi so no. 18th August 2021 March ayeye ofia ha. Ube who say I spoke about Agyapadie. Gyamfi no to. And I'm responding man say that is why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor. Because let me tell you an authority. When we try Agyapadie no, na Gabby ocheda kunni ho. But Gabby came to read the final document. Cherie, me, I know, and they know I know. Me, I know, and they know I know. I am repeating. I know, and they know I know. Eti, me trauma Gabby say, me response ni, me what's up ni. Me say, that is why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor of the pressure mounted on him. Because Nana Addo Akufo Addo in 2007, Otro companies Makumako 70 or the president Obeguno. Mena make a and I'll give you the names. If you are not follow me closely on my Facebook and follow me closely on my I say I'm friend of Twitter. I say whatever. Follow me there. Mese Nana Addo Akufo Addo in 2007. Otro companies Makumako 70 ewo Ghana ha so no odi president obe gusa companies nina so that the cousin Ken Ofori Atta can take over the entire financial enterprise of the economy. Ken Ofori Atta can take over the entire insurance enterprise of the economy. That is the word they use, the enterprise. And I'll come to explain to you enterprise. Enter and surprise them. Their enterprise is not the enterprise you know in the dictionary. Their enterprise is enter and surprise them. There are 70 companies, as I say, I know, say, a good. Nana do a good. And these things happened when Bawumia was called. On the 18th of November, 2018, ask Bawumia if he doesn't know what I'm talking about. 18th November 2018. I know, and they know I know. Me no mu tu kwan. Me ye me ho kwasia. And then me di omochi. Me no sha brabase a wadwuma se me ye jimi fo. It will be say but you took any we are no be say say o ka safwa. E wo me bottom. 70 companies. So this was my response.
On YouTube. Hot news all time.
That's why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor of the pressure mounted on him. Bam. Me first na me trouble for Facebook. Me share that tron said am bon. Me share that. Unim me the dakoro ubenim me. Then on the 8th of March 2024, Gabby dam in the casa phone, so I am calling office twice. Office I think they will come to me to say it's legal how to group maybe say call love bon command anapoku my former manager a friend say Otek FM and also we be asase and I'm person mo fa me na me call morning show e wa asase mwa me say na me ba adwuma eti ye wie Agyapadie ye ni 3 days spell ye do document ni ba bia Producer Matias, producer say manya bokobe yime friso. Tell me, I want you to follow me. Hey, Agyapadie document no, enye fake. Document no, I shall say 2007. Me na me catch now. And I am daring Gabby Ochredako, who read one document na Gabby on Kahono Motro. Or ban or type here, no, me so ko investor of Cape Coast, minimum pa, and they know I know her pa. A nipo or far final document, no, or send ya como bia, or ye mistake the quarter before fro, baby. And also they know I know him pa. Me Okyehene, Padaroma, who fedudo. Okyehene papa, Okyehene, Wadaroma. Ebia. Abrafo efi moja wachi enchesa wonyo hene twi na makane modu na nanam abrafo ene ahemfo na tiase sa abrafo fi moja wo hene chi a enchesa hene nyo hene woda yo hene na mo abrafo no wo fi moja wachi ye wi ya pepe na Gabby ochida ko fa the phone no send me message. Captain, I am not too sure what you seek to achieve by inciting hatred against Achims. No, not every Achim. I know the Achims I am talking about. And quoting from a document that every person without analytical cognitive dissonance, say bro, say how, can tell it's fake. And using that to whip up hatred. Gabby Nasani Yemami. I want to tell you, I know. Presenter B and Gana Gabby Ochida on the phone and sending the message on the Agyapadie. It is not cool. It is unpatriotic. Last part, I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing, but to express my outer disappointment with you as a person I have known for years. Chenye, this is 8th March 2024. I am reading that again. So when I tell you I know that family, don't doubt me. Or say, I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing, but to express my utter disappointment with you as a person I have known for years. I've told you so. Feel land imba yehuno. And then I didn't go 2 months uncompleted building. Kuffour time in 2001 February. No, me who Gabby Ochredako, and I have known Gabby from that time to today. Yes. Somebody I have known for years. Okay. We were not trained to be journalists to create and incite hate in society we seek to serve. Have a good day. And I'm sure I was here. Okay. That was my response. Gabby says he knows me for years. Me say, Agyapadie document, the watch on Gabby knew. Gabby came to read the final document.
Yo, it for Winnie and Summer about the Tuga. Mikause, this is so and our no. So we are subscribe. We are Omodia say over subscribe and one like it. Nothing was share video. It's as a hardie latest and hot news. And I'm the bravo. Also, betting at what you are fire and some way now. I will comment boxing. Mobile in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.